रामनगरा जिले का मारूफ समाजी व मिल्ली इदारा कंजुल उम्मा एजुकेशनल एंड चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट की जानिब से रामनगर जिले के 10वीं जमात के तकरीबन 19 यतीम और बेसहारा बच्चों को स्कॉलरशिप दी गई। स्कॉलरशिप डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रोग्राम में मेहमान खुसूसी के तौर पर अलमीन एजुकेशन सोसाइटी के चेयरमैन उमर इस्माइल, रामनगर जमा मस्जिद के खतीब व इमाम मुफ्ती असगर अली शरीक हुए। मेहमानान खुसूसी के हाथों से स्कॉलरशिप को तकसीम किया गया। कंजुल उम्मा एजुकेशनल एंड चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के सदर मोइनुद्दीन एसके की निगरानी में चले इस प्रोग्राम में ट्रस्ट के तमाम अरकान शरीक हुए। गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के लेक्चरर मोइनुद्दीन एसके ने 6 साल कबल इस इलाके के बेसहारा और गरीब बच्चों को तालीम फराहम करने और इनकी मदद करने के लिए कंजुल उम्मा एजुकेशनल एंड चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट की बुनियाद रखी थी।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we have assembled here in Ramnagar to give scholarships to poor students. Kanzul Ummah are educational and charitable trust headed by Dr. Moin SK, who is a professor in Gausia College of Engineering. He has organized this program. He is a social worker in Ramnagar town. He is providing food to poor people, education, and whatever help they require, and whatever the poor people require, that kind of help he is providing. So we are all assembled here and with Mufti Saab, and we have given the scholarships, and we have encouraged the students to study well, and inshallah in future also we will help them as far as education is concerned. I am very grateful to this team of youngsters who have come forward at this time. In this time when most people are very selfish and they only think about themselves and their families, these people have taken out time to help the other poor people, the poor people who are deserving of help. They are taking a time out and they are providing education, scholarships, and food and clothing, etc. So I am very happy, and I appreciate them, and I congratulate them, and I wish them the best for the future. Thank you.
Today the scholarship disbursement program for needy students, it's completed and concluded. The dignitaries on the dais were Allama Maulana Mufti Asghar Ali Sahib, Khatib Imam Jamia Masjid, accompanied with Mr. Umar Ismail Khan, Chairman Alamin Education Society Bangalore. The motive of this program, before discussing the motive, I would like to talk about the trust. The Kanzul Ummah Educational and Charitable Trust, it started in the backdrop of COVID-19. It was a tough pill to swallow for all the people around the globe. During this challenging time, a team has begun, an era has been started with the young guns. Alhamdulillah, with the help of Gausia College of Engineering, Ramanagara, all the alumni, right now they are alumni. At that time, when we started 6 years ago in the year 2020, in the month of May, they were all the students. And you know the condition back then, it was very challenging, tough. People should not gather, more than 2-3 people should not assemble. In this tough time, a team has been arisen in a small area, a small town called Ramanagara town, in that area called Tipunagar. So there a gathering has happened a night. Around 12 to 15 members we were there. I would like to take the names. Myself, Mr. Moinuddin SK, Mr. Zulfiqar Ahmad, he is the working secretary of the trust, Mr. Khalil, Mr. Mudassir, Mr. Mu'in, Mr. Shweb, Mr. Zamir, Mr. Mohsin, Mr. Asrar, and the list goes on, Wasim, Tamim, okay, and few more were there, Ilyas. So an agenda, what was the agenda at that time? How we can help the people who are suffering, especially the middle class family, because they are in a very big trouble because of the closure of the shops, businesses and all. So the time, it was very difficult for all. At that particular time, our team has taken a challenge to help them financially, to help them with respect to the grocery items, to help them with respect to the medicines. So In the year 2020 May, we have registered our trust and we have started a motive we raise by lifting others. So during the tough time, you believe it or not, it was very difficult to come out the houses. But I'll be very thankful to my older team and currently who are working with me. They overcome all these challenges, and many a time police have beaten them, even though with the other routes they'll used to visit the trust. Continuously we'll be having the meetings, how to proceed with. Challenges were come with respect to the finances, but Alhamdulillah we went door by door, person by person. We requested many people. During that time I requested even Mr. Umar Ismail Khan sir. At that time also he has helped us a lot, and other many donors are there, those who have come forward, because at that time many were lost their loved ones. Okay, so many people have died at that time. The things were very disturbing, but Alhamdulillah, without taking any concern with respect to the health, all the team members used to gather at my house, and at my house itself the trust has been designated. So they used to come for the trust regularly, and they used to work for the trust regularly. In the tough time, we carried the baggages of ration kits to the different areas where the deserving people were there. And after that, with the team help, we built the trust, which was earlier Kacha house, we have made it as a Pakka house. And for your kind information, during the tough time, my boys, those names I have taken earlier, they stand tall, and you believe it or not, they carried the muds on their shoulders, they carried the stones on their shoulders, they built this trust. Okay, then we have inaugurated now MLA, Mr. Iqbal Hussain Saab. At that time, he was not MLA. So we called him for the inauguration in the year 2021, and then from then onwards we continued this good work. In the trust, we have corrected many documents of the poor people without charging the single penny, and even we help them to get the scholarships done as well. And after that, the good things were continued, and you know, a flash flood has been hit the Ramanagara. Many places got severely damaged, many houses were collapsed, but no casualties were reported. But it was a tough time again. Again in the tough time, my team was there with me, Alhamdulillah, and they worked with me day and night without seeing the clock. And in the tough time, again, we help them going into their individual houses. We clear the debris, we clear, and with respect to the essential things like clothes, like utensils, and many girls who are about to get married, their homes were washed away. For them, we have given the necessary things which are needed for the marriage, and many things which we have covered in it. Okay, and again coming to with respect to the health sector, we helped a person by name Mr. Ayub. His leg was severely damaged, and doctor has given the answer that his leg has to be amputated. But Alhamdulillah, again the team has stand. We raised the fund, and around 1 lakh plus it was the charges, and we have paid for the Ramakrishna hospital. And Alhamdulillah, we are happy to see he is having 2 small kids, and he is earning the bread for his family. And not only with respect to that, many school students lost their bags and the necessary things, books and all. Alhamdulillah, the trust has been provided all these necessary things to the school student, different schools like Royal English School, Rahmania School, and one more school by name Ilahi, I think so. So other schools also we have helped. Along with this, the final thing I would like to tell, that is the main intention of working towards the education. So the main thing is why we have taken our motive for only orphans, because I myself is an orphan. I know how painful it is to lead the life without the parents. Parents are the pillars, parents are the energy boosters, parents are everything. But once you lose them, you lose your energy, you lose your everything. It is very difficult situation to move on from them. And you know what, if we can financially help the students who lost the parents, single parent or both parents, at least bit if we can help, then definitely they'll get a chance, they'll get a confidence that they can go ahead with their studies. With this motive, along with my team which is standing, alhamdulillah, we work day and night. We have generated our own application form. Along with the application form, we went to their individual houses. Inspection has been carried out by my team, and after that we went and we asked the help from Alamin Education Trust, Alamin Scholarship Trust. Alhamdulillah, they also came forward with the help of Mr. Umar Ismail Khan sir. Okay, they came forward, they contributed for this cause, and we also have raised the fund. Combined together, alhamdulillah, we have given the scholarships with to 4 different schools: Royal English School, Tipu, and Tipu means Cambridge, and one more Universal, and the Rahmania. So this is what the initial stage. So we have started the things now. Inshallah, our aim, our plans are very big. What I used to say to my team, and my team thinking is also, we never think or settle for less. Always we think of bigger. We try to achieve the things in a larger scale. So we have our biggest motive to cover the complete Ramanagara state, often students, those who are in need, providing the scholarship for all of them. So today, totally for 19 students, we have distributed the scholarship, and the amount is varies with respect to the school, fee structure. So alhamdulillah, the program was well organized. I would like to thank each and every member who is present over here, who are there with us, who work tirelessly behind the scene, those who are continuously going here and there, bringing up things, organizing the things, and managing, and make sure that the program go very smoothly without any interruption or disruption. Alhamdulillah, I am very happy and proudly say that I have a team who can lead a very good, a motive in the future as well. I would like to thank the Salaam TV. I would like to thank the Kiran sir, who came here as a photographer. I would like to thank also the marriage function hall owner. I would like to thank the girls who came over here, and they helped us in anchoring, and as well as the managing the other stuff. I would like to thank my parents. I would like to thank all the candidates, all the trust members, all the students who are present over here. Their parents' good deed, you people have borne so nicely, so good, with so good attitude and all.
Myself, Zulfikar Ahmad Khan. I am the Secretary of Kanzul Ummah Educational and Charitable Trust. ये जो हमारा इदारा है कंजुल उम्मा, वो 6 साल पहले हमने स्टार्ट किया था. आज हम ये मकाम पे हैं कि हम स्कूल्स को जाके उनका स्कॉलरशिप्स वगैरह सब हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. आगे इंशाल्लाह बहुत बड़ा कुछ हर एक स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस को जाके हम स्कॉलरशिप्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके हम इरादा करें हैं. और हमारी टीम हमने जो बिल्ड किया है, इंशाल्लाह हम ऐसे ही आगे काम करते रहेंगे. ओके. और ये जो प्रोग्राम हमने किया है, उनके डोनर्स और हमारे पूरे टीम मेंबर्स को दिल से शुक्रिया अदा कहना चाहता हूँ.